Open the EXOCAD design software. On the Create Order page, click Model Creator on the right-hand side. Please select the design model data you need. Confirm the model, then click Next at the bottom left. Select the required implant system database at the bottom left. Continue. Click Best Fit Matching. Then click Next. 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 Click Settings. Scroll down and locate Model Analogs. Then adjust the horizontal offset value based on the desired clearance. After adjusting the value, click Run. Click Cut View in the upper right corner. Then drag the section line through the center of the analog. Measure the clearance between the analog and the model in the cross-sectional view. As shown, the current clearance is set to 0.05 mm. Now, change the value to 0.03 mm. Measure again. If the measured value matches the adjusted value, the operation is complete.